दौलत फुटबॉल से ही है, सुब्रोतो का ये अभिमान अपनी है। पंख फैलाए आसमां में उड़ना तू, हाथ बढ़ाए सूरज को छूना तू। उठो तुम, खेलो तुम, खेलो तुम, जीतो तुम, यारो मारो गोल।
A long ball sent straight in the hands of the goalkeeper, who looks to encourage his team from the back lines to go ahead and score that equalizer.
Their title winning chances are just
Still a chance for Meghalaya to get something out of this. Looks like,
and the shot deflected. Is it another penalty? Another handball.
there we go. Once again, an opportunity has come as the clock was ticking, as the doors were closing. The ray of hope has come in once again. It's been him all this while. He's the one who scored whenever they wanted a goal. I remember that in the semis. Here comes a ball coming for Meghalaya. 68 minutes into the game. The crowd is loving it. And we have a match here at the Subrata Cup final. It was bound to happen. They have attacked. They never gave up. And finally, in the form of a penalty, Meghalaya revived themselves from losing the final.
In the previous penalty incident, but the fans of Meghalaya are happy. They're back in the contest. It's all square. Manipur won, Meghalaya won, and a fine
stoppage time, which could again prove to be very detrimental in a football game, especially finals. And I say this again and again because we've witnessed so many final matches where games just go down to that moment. Here, it's played down.
They have a man advantage. They just scored the goal. They're creating number of opportunities. And will it be a winner late in the game? The shot should have taken another extra touch. The bounce, of course, made it difficult, but needed to keep his and the fans like it. But then that is the only way you can separate these two sides. I believe they have been so levels on everything, the way they have been playing, the way they have been creating attacks, and not just today but throughout the tournament. And there's Manipur trying to create something
as they slowly look to build it up and then take that last shot in the last grasp minute. It's played down to the right, long ball again for them, and they still have the numbers to get that possession because of that one-man advantage.
Quick exchanges, and the shot deflected off of the junior boys category. 1-1. Namtigong's goal was cancelled out with one play box penalty.
Oh well, what do I have to say? What a match! It's lived up to the expectations from the very first. Take that away. All our viewers watching this game live on Sports, who's taking the trophy and who isn't. But on a lighter note, one final huddle with their coaches. They will look up to the skies and hope that the man above it's come down.
Youngsters have to keep their nerves on. Who will be taking the first shot and a test of the game. But can he? They would want to create. Here is Alex. A powerful
shot is
blown.
And Meghalaya will look to make things level. Oh, he's at the crossbar. He misses.
Goal scoring luck from the...
Here comes the second shot for Manipur. They will look to add on to that advantage. The keeper didn't even move. All he could do is walk.
To the one Meghalaya got in the match. They have to score. It is a test again. And he hits straight to the keeper.
A double goal advantage, and Manipur here stared at a good opportunity to make it 3 out of 3, and more importantly, hurt the wound. But yeah,
Number
that's
10 missed right now. It is Vanplaypak Khongcha, who has an opportunity. He has to score for his team, and he does score without mistake.
Top, of course, the previous one was a shot that sailed over. The penalty kick number 4 for Manipur. They look to put this one away and go back on the advantage. What a save from the captain, Van
For
Cleveland.
some reason, but here is Meghalaya from the spot, and this time
And I loved how he went and hugged his captain, and that is just a wonderful goal on Manipur to take the lead, because if he misses from here, all Meghalaya have to do is score. Here comes the shot, the penalty kick. No mistake, he hits the top
two
corner.
things you can do, but not have to score to stay in the contest, and they do. Forward.
Just couldn't get to it, and now it's back with. Here comes the sudden death. Number 1, he beats the keeper once again, similar to the previous penalty.
He can become the villain. Here's a chance. Oh, he has missed it. They are the champions of the junior boys under 17 category of the 63rd edition of the Subrata Cup International Tournament. And what a way to decide. It went right down to penalties. And we finally have a winner. Both these teams have played well. Both of them have worked hard. But at the end, it is Manipur who have the last mile.
Goodness gracious, that's all I can say.